to the Resairchia YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce you to the keyword each. We will start by creating a new model. I will start by showing how to deal with a common issue related to the keyword each. Start by adding a world component and a body component from the mechanics multibody library and simulate with animation. You see how the ball falls due to the effect of gravity, but it is positioned exactly at the origin of coordinates. If you try to initialize at a different position, you probably have seen this error. The way to remove that error is by using the keyword each. If you validate now, you see that it validates correctly. And when you simulate, the body starts at a different position. After this short introduction to the use of the keyword each related to the multibody library, I will show you how to use it in a different way. I will start my example by adding a shape box. I will position it at these coordinates, for example, and give it some volume and color. There's nothing special about this box, but I will use it for comparing with what we are about to do. We are going to create an array of shapes. We will use the parameters of the previous shape, but we are going to change them a little bit using the keyword each. First, we need to define the parameter n. With this parameter, we can change the number of shapes that we will use. We will start with 3, for instance. Now, we want to have shapes with, for instance, different heights. So, we have an array of heights, all of them different. Let's continue now with a matrix of positions. And now let's create a matrix of colors. Now, with these heights, positions and colors, we are going to use each one of them for a different shape in our array of shapes. We will change the default color to our matrix of colors, our height to our array of heights, and for the length we will define each one of them as 0.5 times n. However, we need to add each before it. The initial position will come from our matrix of positions, and with the width we will do the same as with the length. For this example, we won't need any equations. Let's validate to check for errors. I forgot a semicolon here. So let's simulate with visualization and see what happens now. As you can see, we have a collection of boxes with different colors. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.